Hi, beautiful lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another Cook with Steffi. If this is your first time here, I'm Stephanie, and you're welcome to this space. And to my returning subscribers, hey, my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, we're going to be making this grilled turkey. The grilled turkey is saucing. Okay, so we're going to be making this yummy grilled turkey. And see, let me tell you, if you're the type that eats one turkey and you get tired of it, I bet you not with this recipe. Just stay back, let's watch and see how to make the yummiest grilled turkey. Welcome back. So this is the turkey we are going to be grilling today. Yeah, I'm adding pepper mix to this. The pepper mix is basically onion and habanero pepper that I roughly blended. Yeah, I'm showing you that I gave a cut on the turkey. This is just to allow the seasonings I'm going to be using to penetrate easily into the turkey. And then for the size of the turkey, you can actually cut your turkey however size you want, your preferred size. Yes, you mustn't leave your turkey. You must not leave your turkey like this. You can just cut it however size you want. Yes, depend on how you want to serve yours. So yeah, I went ahead to add more of the pepper mix. Please, if you don't want it that spicy, reduce. If you don't want it hot spicy, please reduce your hand while adding this, like reduce adding more of the pepper mix. So yeah, I went ahead to add my chopped onion and then my seasoning cube. This is seasoning cube, I just crushed it this way. This is a Maggi Niger pot. Yeah, but I just it's a seasoning cube, but I just prefer opening them and crushing them this way. And then I went ahead to add all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, just like I usually say in all my cooking videos, you can use any preferred seasoning of your choice, like any seasoning you prefer to use, your preferred seasonings, so you can use them. Yeah, but this is the ones I love using. But please, while using it, avoid adding too much or too many seasonings at a time, like adding different seasonings at a time. You might just, maybe, I don't know, just start giving you different tastes in your food. Then I went ahead to add water because yeah, I want to cook this thing for at least till 70% done. Yeah, you some can actually just marinate this thing and leave it for some time, but I prefer just letting it cook for at least 70% done. So yeah, for the grilled paste, we're going to be using, I'll be using yellow pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and then habanero pepper. Again, if you don't like your food hot spicy, just reduce this mixture. Okay, then I went ahead to add garlic and ginger and then onion again. So I'll be adding vegetable oil, GKA, groundnut oil, generally known as groundnut oil in Nigeria. So I just added it. This is just to help the paste lock in very well when we are using it on the turkey. Okay, so just add a reasonable amount of that. That's what you'll be using in blending this paste. So I actually blended this paste. I actually blended the pepper mix very well. Like I blended it smoothly. Yeah, that's the right word. So I blended it very smoothly. Yeah, so by then this is how our turkey is looking like. This turkey is not really done, like at least 70%, not 100% done. So it's still strong, and you can see traces of uncooked one inside. Do you get? So the remaining 30% we're going to grill it and it's going to done inside the oven. Do you understand what I'm saying? So yeah, I just went ahead to like bring them out to drain water a little bit, and then I'll be adding my paste. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Like, are you seeing how the paste is looking? So yeah, I forgot to add, you can add seasoning cube to your paste depending on the seasoning you added while cooking your turkey or maybe marinating it or something. So I forgot to show that I added a little or more of seasoning cube to that. This is just to give taste to the paste. But to be honest, you see that ginger and garlic, it actually added flavor and taste to the paste. So this is me just trying to arrange them on my baking pan, my grilling pan rather. So I just did this thing in batch. You know, my turkey is big, so I just did them in batch. So I'll arrange them and then I'll go ahead to source others as well. So this is me doing the second batch, sourcing the like adding paste to the second batch again, and then I'll arrange them on my baking pan. So yeah, I'll just go ahead to do this until I finish um I am mixing my mixing everything on the pan. So this is how it's looking. So please, if you've got to the point of this video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please now subscribe to this channel. Okay, help this channel to keep growing. Thank you. So yeah, back to our turkey. As you can see, you see how this turkey is looking like the way it's looking now is even edible this way. Are you seeing what I am seeing? The sauce on it is saucing and the turkey is talking. Don't mind me. So I'm just trying to add more. I'm just trying to add more of the paste on the turkey. I just wanted to be very generous with this. So I've kept this in the oven and then I'll let it grill for at least 20 minutes on each side. So this is the plantain I want to be serving it with. I decided to just add more of the to add a little of the paste on it before air frying it. So this is what our turkey is looking like. Can you see that? Just one side. So I'm going to be flipping it to the other side, at least for it to grill for another 15 to 20 minutes. I love grilling my whatever I'm grilling. I love doing it on a very low heat so that it will penetrate, the grilling will penetrate inside instead of just like start burning at the outer side. Everything will just grill from the inside, dried from the inside. Yeah, so that's why it's taking like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, after 15 minutes, this is what our turkey is looking like. Can you see this? Can you see this turkey? The turkey is talking. And this is so yummy, to be honest. This is so yummy. If you grill your turkey like this, I bet you will enjoy eating turkey, like a different way of grilling your turkey. Yeah, so this is what our turkey is looking like. Thank you so much for joining me today in cooking or grilling this turkey. Okay, if you enjoy watching this turkey, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, this is what the sauce are actually made for the turkey, and this is how I served my guests on Easter day with this yummy turkey. Like everybody kept asking, how did you do this? How did you do this? How did you do this? To be honest, this is so yummy. This is so yummy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.